Hey, so if you're building a startup and things already feel a little messy, this guide is going to help a lot. I'll walk you through how to use ClickUp in 2026 to manage your team, projects, and daily execution without losing visibility. All right, first things first, open your browser and go to ClickUp. From there, log in using your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside your workspace. And yeah, this is where your entire startup operation lives. Now, for startups, the smartest move is setting up separate spaces for core areas like product, marketing, sales, and operations. This keeps teams aligned and avoids everything turning into one big, confusing task list. Inside each space, you can create folders or lists based on projects, sprints, or goals. Next, start adding tasks. Each task should represent real work, like building a feature, launching a campaign, fixing bugs, or onboarding users. Assign tasks to team members, set due dates, and add clear descriptions so there's no confusion later, because misalignment slows startups down fast. ClickUp also lets you track progress using custom statuses like to do, in progress, review, and completed. This makes it easy to see where work is stuck and what's moving forward. You can also set priorities, which really helps when everything feels urgent at the same time. Now let's talk views. List view is great for planning, board view works well for agile teams, and calendar view helps founders track deadlines and launches. So yeah, switch between views depending on how your team prefers to work. For fast-growing startups, dashboards are a game changer. You can track team workload, project progress, and deadlines all in one place, which gives you clarity without micromanaging. And that's basically it. ClickUp helps startups stay organized, move faster, and scale their workflows as the team grows without constantly switching tools. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Share it with your team or another founder who might need this. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.